Hey Mo Fighters, it's time for some more VGC. I know we took the last few weeks off, but we're getting close to the end of Regulation H. So, Stuttgart Regionals happened 2 weekends ago? I think 2 weekends ago. And this team was on stream on day one. This Frost Rotom team. Alexandra took the team, I think she finished 5-3. So didn't make day 2, but I did... Frost Rotom was not a mon you see a whole lot. So I kind of wanted to test it out. We've tested out a lot of weather teams. So this one, we got the snow. Let's, you know, I don't know, throw out some blizzards. But the link to the team creator, the team tweet, and then she also has the paste for it as well. And there's the rental code. Feel free to go check all of that out. I want to see how this team does on the ladder. It's been a little while, so people have probably seen, you know, Frost Rotom, this Frost Rotom team from the regional, but I want to try it out before Regulation H swaps away to Reg G. But let's go see how the ladder battles go today. Alright. Ooh. Weather battles. Stewie Lilligant, Torkoal, Zombie Bear, Dragonite, Rilla, and Mimikyu. So we're gonna wanna have weather control. Armor seems pretty good. This it does have. I know in the team preview we didn't really talk about the team, but there's all of it there. The Rotom's got Assault Vest. Armor's with Flash Fire. Let's see. I think we have Ninetales on the back. We could go Frost Rotom, Armarouge, Ninetales. We're gonna be in grassy terrain, so this Earthquake's not feeling too good. Garchomp is Choice Band. Poison Jab's not bad to lock into. Scale Shot could be pretty good. Can't hit the Mimikyu though, and then we've got King Gambit here. I think we have to go Garchomp for the poison jab. I think that's what we try and lock into. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna try and control weather. Should probably run through the team quite a bit. This Ninetales has Covert Cloak, so it's not Sash, so we have to just, you know, be mindful of that. Garchomp is Choice Banded. King Gambit has the Life Orb. Armor has the Citrus Berry, so hopefully a little bit bulkier. Dragonite, the Loaded Dice Scale Shot, and also has Haze. Okay. So nice, they're going Torkoal Lilligant. We could... We could just go for a Blizzard, swap in Ninetales. Yeah. That's what we do. They may swap out their Torkoal, they may protect Lilligant, could get a pretty fast, Sleep Powder off? Does this Lilligant get Sleep Powder? Usually it's, yeah. Sleep Powder. I feel like they usually have, yeah, there's a Sleep Powder. Beautiful. Ninetales Avoid, so they're going in the Armarouge. We're gonna get this Blizzard off. And, yeah. So that one is Sash. We'll see what Torkoal goes for. The Earth Power. And a Levitate. Levitate coming in clutch. We'll just go for the Blizzard here. We can get a Veil up. Just to help be a little bit bulky. Blizzard will knock out the Lilligant. As long as, I mean, Lilligant's still the fastest thing out here, so... Oh, maybe Ninetales is. Damn, we should have just gone for a Blizzard. Okay, close combat. Beautiful Veils looking great. Blizzard here. Mayhaps freeze the Torkoal. But it's fire type, so... Okay. Willigan's gone. No fast sleep powder. They could have Rilla come in. I think here... we... swap it. Nighthouse is closed. Depending on what comes in, I do want to swap in Armarouge. Or Mega Man. Dragonite. Okay. We could go Terra Fire. But then they can Earth Power us. I think we'll just stay at that. We'll go into Armarouge. We'll try and get that Flash Fire boost. This Ninetales doesn't have a fairy move. Blizzard, Icy Wind, Aurora Veil, and Encore. I'm not gonna lie, okay, this is Extreme Speed. I didn't take a look too much at the team beforehand. I just saw Frost Rotom. I saw that it, you know... Ooh, there's Freezing Torkoal. I saw how much power, like, just how fun the team looked, on stream. Damn. Okay, Torkoal, that's okay. That's okay. We'll go for another Blizzard. We could Wide Guard, but... I think we just go for the Expanding Force on the Torkoal. Okay, there's Scale Shot. So Dragonite's already faster. The Aurora Veil coming in clutch, just letting us survive a whole bunch of these attacks. That's 2, that's 3, 4. They haven't Terra'd. Defense is dropping. Okay, there's Blizzard going. Next on Dragonite, so we for sure have Weather. Yeah, Room's is all best. A little Expanding Force on this Frozen Torkoal, and let's see who the last mon is. Mimikyu, Rilla, or I can't remember the last. Okay, it is Mimikyu. It is Mimikyu. So I think we just go for the Blizzard. And we're just Expanding Force. This is shiny though. Alright, there we go. There we go. The power of Rotom with all those Blizzards. Yeah, getting weather control, very vital there. Very, very important. That's why we didn't lead Ninetales, because if we would have led Ninetales, since Ninetales is faster than Torkoal, Snow would have gone up, and then Sun would have gone up, and we would have had to do quite a bit of swip swaps. But having Ninetales in the back, you know, that weather set on the back does wonders for the weather war. Ooh. Okay, Gengar, Hydreigon, Volk. Volk is scary. Incin, Hisuian Decidueye, and Grims. Volk is scary. We gotta take care of the Volk. How do you want to handle that? I mean, we could just set up our weather and go. We could go Ninetales Rotom. Armarouge in the back, because it'll help out with Volk. And then, what is Garchomp's Terra? Garchomp is Terra Poison. Or do you want to do Dragonite? Dragonite's Terra Fairy. Low Kick also doesn't seem too bad from King Gambit. Plus the Dark type going against Gengar. More Terra Dark. Yeah. I think that's what we're going for. I think that's what we're going for. Biggest threat is that Volk. We need to handle the Volk. We're gonna have our weather. You know, they don't. At least I don't think they have a way to set up whether Grimm's can Thunderwave slow us down, screens, so if we get our veil up, then we both have screens, so then it's not, you know, craziest thing is there is a Grimm's Decidui. So this lead isn't too bad. Is that Hisuian Decidui shiny? Because that looks pretty high. I think we can go for a veil. I think we need a Terrifier. I think we just go for a Blizzard. Decidui could Terra. There's a light screen. That's okay. Okay. Ninetales is fast. I'm sure it's a Blizzard. So good light screen on them. Triple arrows. Damn. That would have got the knockout. We get Icy Wind, but I feel like if we just go for the Blizzard here... I guess just double Blizzard. There's Thunder Wave, but Rotom should be faster than... Yeah, we get the Blizzard going, that... Yeah, knocks out Decidui. Thunder Wave, Light Screen. Let's see what comes in. Ninetales does get this Blizzard off. Good little chip damage. No freezes, but that's okay. We'll see what comes in. Let's see if Rotom, I guess, is faster. What do they have? The Volk? Oh, Hydreigon. Don't think we're faster. But... Can't Encore Grims. Well, we could, because we're not Prankster. I think we still just go for the Blizzard. Do we swap out a Hydreigon? I think Rotom out here is pretty okay. They're gonna Terra, so Hydreigon probably to... What is Hydreigon normal Terra? Terra Fire. We got Kingambit in the back, and there's a Thunder Wave, but we are an electric type. Ooh, okay. We got Armarouge. Okay. Got Armarouge. Armarouge Armor Cannon. The Ninetales gets knocked out. Kingambit's Terra is Terra Dark. We could Sucker Punch. Yeah. Maybe we're bringing Kingambit. So about Ninetales. So about Ninetales on the Armarouge. Grimm's can go for a Thunder Wave. I think we're gonna go for the Terra Dark. And we'll kowtow this. We'll have a little bit more strength doing kowtow versus Sucker Punch. We figure Hydreigon's going to attack Terra Dark, so that way we don't, yeah, there's a Terra. Terra Dark, so we're not weak to the Heat Wave. You can see what this Grimm's goes for. They cannot... Okay, there's the Reflect. Reflect, Thunder Wave, Light Screen. There's the Heat Wave. So yeah, okay. Beautiful. We do have Veil up. Fuck! That's okay. We get our kowtow cleave. We'll crit. No big deal. Okay. Here I guess we just armor cannon. Armor cannon protect? I don't think they heat wave again. Thunderwave, Armors, I believe in you. You'll get this armor cannon off. Okay. There's the armor cannon. Beautiful. Oh my god. Snow's done. I don't think a sucker punch does. Bale's gone? Oh yeah, because we're not late screen. Okay, let's see. Okay. If they go for the Earth Power again on Armor Rouge, then we swap... It's just... The lower defenses, the Earth Power will get the knockout. We got the Snow set back up. Terrifier High Dragon's really good. There's Sucker Punch. We crit now. Ah, so close. So close, but Grimm's isn't doing much. Yeah, there's the Earth Power on Ninetales. Living, and then Spirit Break. Our spirit is breaking. It's okay, keep down. It's okay. Okay. See the snow up. We're both paralyzed, so what do we think High Dragon's gonna do? They're not gonna heat wave. Guess we just go for the Expanding Force? I don't know. Oh, there's the Snarl. That was a crit. Okay. I think we were so focused on... I think this Grimm's knocks out with the Spirit Break. We were so focused on the Volk. Again, it's just the fire types. Just the fire types, right? The Terrifier High Dragon. GG, what a game. We... Mayhaps if we would have brought Garchomp instead of... I don't know, because I liked King Gambit. Getting burned off the Heat Wave sucked. Because otherwise I think we could have taken care of the High Dragon a bit easier, but you know, that's how it goes. We got a freeze on the Torkoal in game 1, so it was our turn to get, you know, that to get burned, but not bad. Goodra, oh, look at this. Goodra, Gastrodon, GG. Pelipper, Staple Remover, Kilowattrel, and Dreadnought. We are climbing our way up to Master Ball, since this is, it's middle of December, and I did not get a whole lot of VGC in, but Weather Wars here with the Pelipper. We could go Rotom, right? Who do we want to lead? I want Rotom Garchomp. Rotom King Gambit. Ninetales in the back. Do you want King Gambit in the back? Numbers doesn't seem the greatest. So yeah, I think we go King Gambit. I don't want to go Double Dragon. Who are we thinking of tearing? The Terra's here. Oh my god, I'm just thinking of the last one. If we go Terrifier on Rotom, it's okay if they Earth Power us, because... Oh, I think it was Armor Rouge that. But we could do Terrifier. We could do Terrifier. We're levitating. Okay. Pelipper, kill a Watchroll. We can swap out Garchomp. Yes, Pelipper probably has Wide Guard. So I think we're just gonna go for the Discharge right here. I'll swap into Ninetales. I don't want this Pelipper going for a Weather Ball on Garchomp. I feel like that'll do a lot. Or Terra Poison. We're gonna get the Weather Control. There's the Tailwind, okay. And Pelipper is going for... Okay. The Ice Beam, so good swap over there. And we get the Thunderbolt here. Nice. Okay. So we've got Weather Control. We can get Veil up. And Rotom's not locked into... There's Gastron. Rotom is not locked into... That's one thing with this Rotom is since it's Assault Vest, it's not locked. Where does Gastron possibly have? Gastron can go Terra Fire. I don't think it really needs to right now. I think we just get Veil up. I mean, Kilowattrel is going to be... Oh. They didn't want to deal with the Weather War. They didn't want to deal with the Weather War. I don't know what their fourth Mon would have been. But yeah, it seems like if we can win the Weather War, we get going. Pelipper not being sashed, I would say kind of wild, but since it wasn't sashed, we're able to, like, you know, the Thunderbolt to verify that we were gonna be in the snow for the battle. But yeah, you know, let's get one more battle in. Ooh, okay, Weather Wars. This time, well, we've already gone against the sun with the Torkoal. But Whimsicott's a threat, because if it's got Sunny Day, it can consistently keep Sun out without swapping in. Kingambit, Garchomp, Mouse, regular Ninetales, and regular Typhlosion. I don't know if this is a game for Rotom. Like Armarouge. Right. We could go Garchomp Armarouge and then have Rotom Ninetales in the back if we can get that going. Kingambit's a little scary. They got Garchomp, they got so much fire. Like, we would have to Terra. The possible, like, Terra Fairy on things, I'm like, don't really want to bring Dragonite, so I think we're going... We're going with these four. First time bringing Rotom in the back. So we shall see how that goes. We'll see the power that hopefully our Mega Man and Mr. Chomp can do. But let's see. Big threat, yeah. One's got Kingambit. Okay. Armarouge. We're kind of okay. I think it's Kingambit's super effective on Armarouge, right? Garchomp is abandoned. We're gonna have to lock into something. Armarouge does have Wide Guard. Cannon Trick Room. How do we go, Whimsicott? I think we'll go Terra Grass. And Armor Cannon this. I think we have to Terra Armarouge. Rotom, realistically, we haven't really Terra'd, and Ninetales is Terra Ghost. Well, look at this Terra Grass. Okay, they're also gonna Terra. The King Gambit to Terra. Flying. Okay. That's fine. Glad we didn't go for the Earthquake. We just, you know... I figure Whimsicott's gonna be a pain for weather shenanigans. There's the Moonblast. Oh my god. Big damage. Garchomp's coming back. Whimsicott's gone. King Gambit better be ready for this armor cannon. We're both doing very defensive Terra types. King Gambit still has to go. Kowtow, yeah. Oh my god. That still did so much. That did so... Oh, well, our defense dropped. Our defense dropped. Because the armor cannon. Okay. We go for the rock slide. Oh, shit. We're locked into Poison Jab. That's fine. They could Sucker Punch Garchomp. We'll swap in Ninetales. I guess we'll just go for the Expanding Force. If they Sucker Punch Armors, I don't think it gets a knockout. We have a speed boost. With the snow going. Yeah, there's a Sucker Punch. Okay, they were going to the end of the Garchomp. And Mouse with the Pop Bomb. Gonna knock out Armors, but that's okay. We get a nice clean swap into Rotom. And weather it up. That mouse is also fast. Okay. I think what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go for Veil. And we're swapping Garchomp. We're gonna hope that mouse goes for a Pop Bomb on the fridge. Because if so, it'll take that rough skin damage, probably for 3 hits maybe. And then that means we'll be able to get Rotom in here. Ninetales is faster than Mouse, then we get a, we get Veil up first, which means Mouse will be taking way more damage from Pop Bombing the fridge spot. Let's see. There's the Sucker Punch. And... okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6... Stop! 7! 8. Ah! Dang! This mouse! Okay. That was all 10 times. Gonna have to go for the Blizzard and the Rock Slide. And sucks here is this King Gambit. Use 2 Sucker Punches. Got like at least 3 more. We can't protect with either of these Mons. 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're living. 6, 7, 8. 10. Oh my god. There's our one more Mon though. We knocked out Wims, King Gambit. Who was the last Mon? Garchomp. Okay. I mean, we're locked into Blizzard, and we're locked into... well, we're not locked into Blizzard. but we still Blizzard regardless. And we are locked in a Rock Slide. Let's see how fast our Chomp is versus them. Okay, that's fine. How many turns of snow is there? So they're not banded. They're not choiced either. Life Orb? It's the last turn. They could go for a double. Double attack. Oh, Dragon Claw. Oh, they are faster than us. It's the Garchomp Showdown. It is Life Orb. There's not much we could do. Dragon Claw, I think, gets the knockout on this. Oh, so close. But, you know, going 2-2. Not too bad. Rotom put in work, you know. Weather on the back was good. We targeted Whimsicott. That's what we were thinking. Was the big threat. The King Gambit did so much. I don't necessarily know if Armouche was good as a lead there. Mayhaps if we would have brought... could have brought our King Gambit. Alright, maybe even just Dragonite getting those scale shots would have been pretty solid. We could have led... Well, we did lead Garchomp. Garchomp made the knockout on that. Maybe Garchomp Dragonite? Yeah, I don't think Armor's... did enough. But that's okay. If they brought like more fire type mons, then it would have. But you know, not too bad for battles. We'll do some more battles with this team later on this week. We will definitely try and get that the second video featuring the Frost Rotom. But hopefully I'll enjoy the battles. If you did, be sure to leave a like. And yeah, until later on this week, be cozy.